How to use Google Photos Memories Remix. To use the Google Photos Memories Remix, you have to first of all launch the Google Photos application on your device, scroll down until you find yourself that exact video, and then tap on it to open it. Once you open this, you simply have to go ahead and tap on this three-dotted menu icon on the top right. From here, you should be able to access this Create option. Go ahead and tap on this. Find yourself remix option over here. However, it is not showing up because this feature is not yet available within my region. But once you find it over here, you simply have to go ahead and then tap on it. From there, now you simply have to go ahead and then choose a style. Once you do this, you simply have to tap Generate. Google's AI will process the image into the chosen style. And if you don't like the first result, you simply have to tap Regenerate, then tap Save to add it to your library. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.